On today's video, we're going to reprogram our 4-digit keypad number on our SCHLAGE FE595 lock. Right now our code is 1267. We're going to go ahead and remove that. So first thing you have to do is find your programming code. It's either on your manual or if not, it's right behind the front escutcheon here. Just remove those 2 screws to get to it, right behind here. After locating your 6-digit code, go ahead and enter it. And then you hit the SCHLAGE button on top. To remove it, you need to hit 2. And then go ahead and hit your combination, which is 1267. You have to hit it twice. And there it is there. It's removed. Let's go ahead and test it. That's no longer there. Now let's go ahead and add a new number. Hit your 6-digit programming code. Hit the SCHLAGE button on top. Now to add, you got to hit 1. Next, we add a new code, 2378. You got to do it twice. 2378. Let's go ahead and double check and make sure it took. There it is there. That's how you add and remove a 4-digit code to your SCHLAGE keypad lock. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.